Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Zoho CRM user preferences, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset Zoho CRM user preferences, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture or the initial representing your account. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings page, look for the User Details section. Click on Users and Control. Here, you will see a list of all the users in your account. Find your user account and click on your name. This will open your personal user settings. Scroll down to the Preferences section. In this section, you will see various options related to your user settings. To reset your preferences, click on the Reset button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read the message carefully. If you are sure you want to proceed, click Yes to confirm. Your user preferences will now be reset to their default settings. After the reset, take a moment to review your preferences. Make any necessary adjustments according to your requirements. Once you have customized your settings, navigate back to the main dashboard. You have successfully reset your Zoho CRM user preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.